Hello, my cuties. How are you all? Welcome back to Journal English class. Happy to see me again? Yes or no? Yes. So, in Journal English, which book you have to remove from your bag? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. English Primer. English Primer book is considered as Journal English. Okay, so in Journal English, we are going to learn today lesson number 3. Which lesson we are going to do, children? Lesson number 3. So, let's see what is there in lesson number 3. Yes? Fill in the missing letters, vowels to make word. Yes, what you have to do, children? Missing letters. Yes, one picture is there. In this picture, you have to fill the correct answer. Okay, children? And previous video, we did vowels. Come on, tell me which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now come on, tell me which are the vowels? Yes, just now only Miss taught you. Come on, tell me. Yes, A. After A, E. After E, I. A, E, I. After I, O. And last one is U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So, this is the picture of car. And the spelling of car is C-A-R, car. So, we have to write A here. A is a vowel. But which A we are going to write? You already learned cursive letters. Then we'll write cursive A. Then write, come on, A. C, circle, A. C-A-R, car. Understood, children? This is the picture of hat. And the spelling of hat is H-T. Which vowel will fit in this dash? Come on, tell me. H-A-T, hat. So write A, but cursive A. H-A-T, hat. Hat we wear on our head. Yes? Come on, tell me which picture is this? Yes, you are correct. This is a picture of pot, and pot spelling start with the P-T. Come on now, which vowel we will take? A, E, I, O, U. Which vowel? P-O-T, pot. Then we will write cursive O. P-O-T, pot. We fill water in pot. This is the picture of legs. We have 2 legs. With the help of legs, we can run, walk, jump. And leg spelling start with L-G. L-E-G. L-E-G, leg. Yes, E is a vowel. So write cursive E. L-E-G, leg. This is the picture of net. Yes, and the net spelling start N-T. Yes, the hunter catches the birds or fish in net. So net spelling is N-E-T, net. So what we have to write? Come on, tell me. E. Yes, and E is a vowel. So write cursive small e. Yes, this is the picture of box, not gift. Yes, You get gift on your birthdays, but gift are packed in a box. Yes, so this is the picture of box, and box spelling is B-X. Come on, tell me which vowels will fit in this dash? Yes, O, very good. B-O-X, box. Yes, this is the picture of gun. Policemen have gun with them to protect us. And gun spelling start with G-N. G, which vowel? A, E, I, O or U? G, U and gun. Come on, say G, U and gun. So we will write U, cursive small u, G-U and gun. Now tell me, I will not tell you which picture is this. Yes, you are correct. This is the picture of mug. We drink milk, tea, coffee in mug. Yes, and mug spelling start with M-G. Said which vowel will fit? M-U-G. M-U-G, mug. Then write cursive small u. M-U-G, mug. Now this is the picture of pen. Pen spelling start with P-N. Mummy cooks food in a pan. Yes, P-A-N, pen. Children, you have to touch the down line and write the letter, okay? Picture of jug. Mummy fills juice, water in jug. The jug spelling start with J-G. J-U-G, jug. Children, you have to repeat after Miss. Come on, tell me. J-U-G, jug. Then which letter we will write? U, and you have to touch the down line. Write cursive U, J-U-G, jug. This is the picture of pin. Pin spelling start with P. Which letter sounds has P? P. Then P dash and P-I-N, pin. Come on, say P-I-N, pin. And we have to write vowels I. And last you have to put dot on I, P-I-N, pin. This is the picture of tea. We drink cold drinks in tea. Yes, teen spelling start with T. Whose sound is T? T. Then T dash and T-I-N-T. We have to write I. Yes, very good, very smart you are. T-I-N-T. And on I you have to put dot. So my dear children, we already finished missing letters. Like this you have to write in your English primer book, okay? Now second activity is match the picture with the words. So one word is given and one picture is there. You have to match correct picture with the correct word. Understood? So let's see that. Come on, this is the spelling of C-U-P, cup. Where is the picture of cup? Yes, this is the picture of cup. So you have to match C-U-P, cup with the correct picture C-U-P, cup. Cup, cup. Understood? Like this you have to do. Now let's read the second spelling. B-E-D, bed. Bed means where we sleep. Come on, tell me, where is the picture of bed? Search, come on, find. Here. Yes, blue color bed. So, B-E-D, bed, you have to match with bed. Yes? Okay. Next one, read it. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib means pen. Okay, yes. Then where is the nib? Here it is. Yes. Then match with nib. Yes. After nib, M-E-N, man. M-E-N, man means so many, more than one man. One man spelling is M-A-N, man. And plural form of man is M-E-N, man. Okay, then come on, tell me, where is the man standing? Here. So match man with M-E-N, man. Understood? Shall we go ahead? Yes? Okay, very good. And children, remember you have to draw the straight line. Okay, don't do dirty. Yes? Next spelling is V-A-N, van. When we come to school, we sit in a van. So, here the picture of van. So, let's match van. V-A-N, van. Understood? Yes. Next one is C-A-P, cap. Cap we wear on our head. So, cap picture is this. So, match cap with the cap. Yes. Like this straight line you have to do. Okay. Don't make your page dirty. Yes. Next spelling is L-O-G, log. Log means piece of wood. Yes, come on, tell me, where is the piece of wood? Find out. Yes, here it is. So, match L-O-G, log with L-O-G, log. Yes, piece of wood. And the last spelling is T-O-P, top. Top means one toy that you can play with it. Okay. So, where is top? Here it is. So, match T-O-P, top with top picture. Understood? So, my dear children, like this you have to match correct spelling with correct picture. And what I told you just now, don't make dirty. Yes, make a straight line and do. Use scale. Okay. I hope you understood lesson number 3. So like this you have to do in your English primer book and study well. Okay children? Bye. See you in the next video.